Hi, I'm Alia. So today I want to make a video about how to introduce yourself in Slovenian language. So let's just start. I can say Jaz sem Alia, I am Alia, or you can say Moje ime je Alia. So my name is Alia. Okay? So, or if your name is John, you can say Jaz sem John. Okay? Or Moje ime je John. Okay? Sem iz Slovenije. I am from Slovenia. Okay? Or if you're from China, let's say, you can say sem iz Kitajske. Okay? And then živim v Ljubljani. I live in Ljubljana. Okay? Or maybe you live in Paris. Živim v Parizu. Okay? So let's put all these three sentences together now. Živjo, hi. Živjo, jaz sem Alia, sem iz Slovenije, živim v Ljubljani. Okay? Cool. And then maybe you can say what your age is, right? So, star sem for a guy, or stara sem. So it's like how old you are. So the full sentence is stara sem 30 let. So 30 is the number, 30. Let means years. Yeah. So stara sem 30 let. I am 30 years old. Okay. And if you're a guy, you would say star sem 30 let. Okay, so another example, stara sem 25 let. I am 25 years old. Or star sem 21 let. I am 21 years old. Okay, then what else? I guess you can say what you like doing in your free time, right? So I like playing the piano. I would say v prostem času, in my free time. Prosti čas is free time. V prostem času rada igram na klavir. In my free time, I like playing on the piano. Or maybe you like going for a walk. You can say, v prostem času grem rada na sprehod. Again, if you're a guy, you would say, grem rad na sprehod, without the A, okay? So, in my free time, I like going for a walk. V prostem času grem rada na sprehod, okay? Or maybe you like listening to music. You could say, v prostem času rada poslušam glasbo. Alright, so now let's put everything together. Živjo, jaz sem Alia, sem iz Slovenije, živim v Ljubljani, stara sem 20 let, v prostem času rada igram na klavir. Alright, so that's it. And if you have any ideas what video I should do next, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I will speak to you guys very soon. Okay? Ciao, ciao!